Example, the helping words are demain, après-demain, demain tomorrow, après-demain day after tomorrow, mois prochain next month, semaine prochaine next week, année prochaine next year, or preposition en plus any year referring the future, or preposition dans followed by a long duration of time in the future, like dans 2 ans, in 2 years, dans 6 mois, in 6 months, like that. Then to form future sample of any verb, you should know the future stem of that verb. Then according to the subject, the future endings to be added. If subject je is there, add ai to the future stem of that verb. If the subject is tu, add as to the future stem. For il and n, add future a to the future stem. For no, add ons to the future stem. For who, add ez of the future stem. For il and l, add ont to the future stem. So you will get the future sample of that verb. Now next you can see we have the exceptional verbs in future. So for the verb avoir, the future stem is AUR. For the verb être, the future stem is SER. For the verb aller, the future stem is IR. For the verb recevoir, the future stem is RECEVR, receivre. Vouloir, VOUDR. Pouvoir, POURR. Faire, FER. Voir, VERR. Be careful, voir only has double R. Savoir, it is SAUR. Venir, it is VIENDR. Revenir, it is REVIENDR. Devenir, DEVIENDR. Falvoir, FAUDR. Courir, COURR. Envoyer, ENVERR. Pleuvoir, PLEUVR. Devoir, DEVR. And apercevoir, APERCVR. So along with that verb, the meaning also has been given. You should learn that also. Now, what about other verbs which are not exceptional verbs? They have been divided into 3 categories. It could be ER ending verbs. For ER ending verbs, you have to write the as it is the infinitive form of the verb and then add the future endings. For IR ending verbs, write as it is the full verb in infinitive form and add the endings. And for RE verbs, remove the E and add the future stem. So you can form. And pronominal verbs also, most of them are ER verbs. You have to write as it is. Now for example, let's see this example. Now the verb tu and the verb given to you is avoir. So the future stem of the verb avoir is AUR. So first you write AUR here. And since the subject is tu, you add the ending AS. So future stem plus future endings, this is come together gives the future sample of that verb. And see the helping word demain is there. Similarly, no avoir verb is there. The future stem of the avoir is auront, AUR. And since the subject is no, add ONS. So this together, auront is the future stem of futures sample tense of the verb avoir. And see the helping is word is don, 2 ans. Okay. So you should be thorough with this. You can try this exercise based on that rules.